Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to deposit money into your Betterment account. If you're new to Betterment, it's an awesome robo-advisor platform that makes investing simple and automated, helping you build wealth without the hassle of picking stocks yourself. Whether you're just starting out or adding to your portfolio, getting money in is the first step to growing your investments. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a Betterment account. If you don't, head to their website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're all set up, log in using your email and password. You'll land on your dashboard, which is super user-friendly. Next, look for the Accounts or Funding section, usually found in the main menu. Click on Deposit or Add Funds. If this is your first deposit, you'll need to link your bank account. Betterment makes this simple. Just enter your bank's routing number and account number, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify it. This step ensures your money transfers securely. Now, choose your deposit method. Betterment supports ACH transfers, which are free and take a few business days, or wire transfers for faster processing if you're in a rush. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Start small if you're testing the waters, and double-check everything for accuracy. Hit Confirm, and you're good to go. A quick tip: always monitor your account after depositing to ensure the funds arrive as expected. Betterment is known for its security, but it's smart to keep an eye on things. Also, consider setting up automatic deposits to make investing a habit without the extra effort. And there you have it. Depositing money into Betterment is that straightforward. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to smarter investing in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.